So question number 8, which is from compiler design. Which of the following statement is false? Context-free grammar can be used to specify both lexical and syntax rule. It is a true statement. Okay. Type checking is done before parsing. No, it is a false, because type checking done after parsing. High level language programs can be translated to different intermediate representation. Yes, we can translate high level language into intermediate language, but not necessarily in low level language. Argument to a function can be passed using a program stack. Yes, the argument of function is passed through program stack. When a function is called, the values and arguments all are placed in that stack. When the function is called and when it returns, this stack removed. So this is also true. So only false statement is B. So B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, thank you.